This essay example, as well as thousands of others, is available in text format on our website for free and without registration. Simply Google Ivy Panda Free Essays.
Research is important for developments and innovations. To conduct research, data must be collected, interpolated, and analyzed to give sound information about a certain issue. Different methods of data collection exist. This paper is divided into two parts. Part 1 discusses 5 data collection methods, and Part 2 gives my personal research experience. Data collection methods. Data collection methods are divided into primary and secondary collection methods. Under primary, we have use of interviews. It is a method of data collection that involves oral questioning of a certain population, whether individuals or groups. Responses from the interviewee regarding a certain question are recorded either at the time of the interview or are taped for later recording and analysis. Questions may be fixed or flexible depending on the target group. Use of questionnaires. Questionnaires are structured questions given to respondents who are expected to answer them in written form and then give them back to the data collector. The questionnaires can be sent through post, email, or fax to a respondent. They can also be hand-derived. Observation. Observation is a data collection method in which the researcher uses his eyes and participates in certain activities as he collects data. Observation may be open, where the researcher takes data from the occurrence of certain activities, or it may be closed, where the observer takes data from a limited number of people. Focus groups. Focus groups are groups composed of a population that has the required information. They are collected together, and the team leader, who is usually the researcher, asks relevant questions that lead to data collection in his area of interest. The team leader gives members of a group the chance to discuss and gives their views regarding a certain phenomenon. Secondary data collection. Other than the primary data collection method, there is a secondary data collection method that involves taking data from literature reviews of related material. The researcher does not go to the field to collect data, but reviews data that already exists, be in books, documentaries, internet, and media. Importance of examining collected data. After data has been collected, it needs to be examined for quality and reliability. Consistency of data is important for data analysis, thus it is important to examine and test the data collected. Extremes data are disregarded to ensure that data used for analysis can be generalized when making final inferences. If you want to find more works like this essay on research methodology, data collection methods, head over to ivypanda.com. It has a collection of free samples with thousands of submissions covering virtually all academic subjects. No registration required to access it.